Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we decided to take the day off, right? We're up here near Poconos in Pennsylvania doing the scrimmage. Yep, it's all about paintballing. Guys, let's hit the intro. Hey guys, welcome to another remodel. We are in another remodel. Keep watching, keep watching. So guys, I have all the workers up here, all the carpenters, the roofers. I have some electricians, right? We came out here. I got permission from my boss, which is my wife, and she gave us the day off, right? So we're out here gonna have some fun. You know, sometimes we need this in our industry, in the roofing industry, in the siding industry, in the carpentry industry. We need a day off. We need to get away from the routine, do something different, do something fun. And that's why we decided to come in here. And I want to show you my biggest target today. Let's go, let's go. So we're, you know, there's always that one employee that, you know, that always tick for tack. You say something and he goes and he says something back to you and says, yeah, wait. And this is our aim for today. We want to target this guy. So I gave everybody on my team permission, extra permission, to make sure you hit him. Now we're going to put a bounty over him. Whoever gets 10 shots on him gets an extra $100. Follow me along. The process behind everything is you gotta sign the waiver. Nobody wants to get a lawsuit, right? Then we'll go and take our papers in. Then we'll get scheduled which group we're gonna go out with. Our group is generally, we got about 16, 17 guys to come out. There's always those employees that don't, you know, I'm gonna take my own day off. I don't wanna come out with you, right? So they stood out, they stood home. But after this, we're gonna go to get gear, right? We need some gear. We need the guns. We need the paintballs and the protector. Boop, boop.
You get.
That's what we're gonna have to go get, the protector, right?
You get your own course.
So you jump on from different courses. After you capture the flag from one course, they'll put you back in a group, and then they send you back out to a different course. So there's so many different courses here. So we're gonna be. It's an all-day event. Follow us along.
Vamos a dar hoy. ¿A quién le vamos a dar hoy?
Primero vamos a tumbar al más fuerte. No, vamos a tumbar al débil para llegar al fuerte.
¿Cuál es el débil?
Eso no se dice, es el secreto.
No sé por qué todos llevan conmigo, no entiendo.
Go to the next one. Go to the next one.
O el siguiente.
Go to the next one. Next one. Go to the next one. All right. So these are basically these are the vests, the tactical vests that we're gonna get. So everybody gets a card so they can get their vest and then their ammo.
Extra large, there's no way. ¿El tuyo?
Nos vamos a caber.
Vamos entre los dos. ¿Tuyo no? Voy a desaparecer. Solo porque tengo frío.
Chicos. Parece el, ¿cómo se llama? El Chaplin. Ahí estamos listos para el ataque.
Oye, ¿van a atacar al jefe?
Claro, hoy el jefe mínimo tiene el precio de su cabeza como $1000. El que le mata al jefe.
¿Quién va a ser la víctima hoy?
No, la otra.
Mira
la víctima. Lo vamos a coger de blanco para los tiros.
Yo no sé por qué sí.
El de la baterita. Vamos.
Oh, 50 plus maps, so there's probably like mini maps. Oh,
See how many is 100 and we see how many will fill.
Llena cositas así para
No, pero para ver cuántas son de 100. No se sabe. Si alguien va a correr, tenemos que proteger a la persona que va a correr.
Claro, hay que proteger.
Hay que proteger al muchacho que va.
I appreciate it. I was giving it to the young lady. All right, here's another one. Thank you. All right, no problem.
If you're doing an upgrade, you're going to go over there to fill out a form. If you're not doing an
We're ready. Estamos listos, estamos listos.
¿Cómo se lleva?
Míralo ahí, míralo ahí, míralo ahí. Esa es la víctima ahí.
Una caja tengo yo.
He got an upgrade. He got an upgrade.
I did get an upgrade. You see, this is the standard gun, right?
¿Cómo se puede hacer?
So, you puedes pagar $20 y
This
licencia.
versus this.
So,
Uno especial para él.
sí. Yeah, so ustedes pueden, pero vale más. $20 more. Yes.
I'm just gonna go over some rules briefing and safety concerns and stuff like that. Biggest rule today, guys, is goggles. Goggles must stay on when we're playing.
Las gafas se tienen que poner en los ojos.
So if I have my goggles on, you guys should have your goggles on. Okay? Make sense? All good. All right. So that's the biggest rule today. When we're playing, goggles must stay on.
Siempre tiene que tener las gafas, el goggles puesto.
Rule is your finger stays off the trigger when you're not using the gun.
La cosa más importante, sus dedos no le ponen en el donde van a disparar si es que no estamos jugando.
That's like basic gun safety. Keep your finger off the trigger when you're not using it.
Para la seguridad le quitan el dedo de donde van a disparar para que no vaya a salir una accidentalmente.
That's the number one safety.
Es el número uno.
Number two safety is this orange barrel plug. This is a one-time safety. It's meant for accidents because they do happen.
El número dos es tener esto. Si no estamos jugando, tengan esto. Este es por accidentes, para prevenir accidentes. Cuando vamos a jugar, lo sacamos.
Junior's not paying attention.
I am paying attention. I got a gun upgrade. Pride will take you to a different level. Since they've been prideful and we've been humble, we're gonna actually win this game. And I say that in a humbling way. We're gonna knock them down. We're gonna take them down. We're gonna hunt you down. We're gonna get you, orange team, because blue team is gonna win.
Team blue. Team orange. Team orange. Team orange. Team orange. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win?
Game starts in 3, 2.
Gavin, Alex is bringing 3 additional players. 3 more. Oh, I got him.
Oh man.
Shit, me comieron, brother.
Oh. Oh. Got him! Oh man! I think I got that on camera, baby. Ooh, somebody's hurt.
No, not really.
Ooh, Team Orange is getting killed. Everybody here is Team Orange. Oh, Team Orange. No way. Team Blue wins.
No te creo.
Goggles stay on, barrel plugs in. Goggles stay on, barrel plugs in.
Métanos las protecciones.
Team Blue wins. Wow.
You saw that?
Team Blue.
Top line roofing, baby.
We are the best.
I just want to say that we got LeBron.
A bunch of times. Look
Yeah,
at that.
LeBron Electrical, if you need a good electrician. But if you need him for scrimmage, he doesn't work. Electrical, AC, DC, definitely works. But not, I hit him like 10, 15 times.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I was abusing him a little bit. I did get shot as well.
No, I think that gun is better than mine.
Yeah, game 2, coming up. Follow us.
Oh, he surrendered. He got him. Game 2. Team Orange wins.
So guys, what happened was my gun got jammed up, and then I was under fire, and then I couldn't shoot, and then I did get shot. I actually got shot right in my face. There you go, guys. The enemy attacked me, and they took me out. About 3 shots, but I owe that to that the gun got jammed. So, you know, in actuality, we could have won, you know, but Orange team actually won this round. We're going to go to another field, and we're going to take them on. Right now, it's 1-1, so we're going to go to a tiebreaker, guys. So Team Blue won again. So there you have it, guys. We are always winners, right? We got, you know, that one crazy employee. We got him as well. You know, yeah, that's it. We got him as well. But you know, don't forget to like, to subscribe, to leave a comment below, to turn on the campanita, and also don't forget, companies. Take out some time, take your employees out, take them out to a barbecue, take them out to Great Adventure, or take them out to paintballing. Keep watching.